Hello everyone, welcome to the home of African names. Today we are doing things a little differently. We are playing a game of this or that. Let's choose our favorite name from a pair of names with the same meaning. Let's begin. First up we have Ayanda and Anda. Both names highlight the growth that is happening in the family. Next up we have Isipho and Osisipho. Which name would you choose for your precious gift? Iminati Inkosi and Uminati Uthixo both mean the Lord is standing with us. Which one is your favorite? Iminati or Uminati? Our next names are Iphendule and Uphendule. Iphendule Inkosi, Uphendule Uthixo. They are perfect for parents who had been praying for a child. Next up we have the bearers of hope, Sinethemba and Themba Lethu. Luniko and Siniko both mean a gift from God. Which name would you choose for your little one? Our last names convey the wishes of the parents. We have Yonwaba and Onwabe. Let us know in the comments which names you liked the most from the pair of names we shared today.